Disclaimer. The food items being reviewed and tasted were all bought out of pocket by the GOAT, or the greatest of all Titos, and none of which were provided by the food provider or restaurant and topic. All comments and reactions in this video are genuine, and that the food provider or restaurant had no input or influence whatsoever. As always, the opinions and reactions expressed in this video do not necessarily reflect the opinions of all Titos or uncles around the world. Possibly a few, but definitely not all.
So we're here again with another video talking about boneless offerings. So a few videos ago I posted about KFC coming out with a boneless fried chicken, which, to be completely honest, I felt that they could have just named it chicken nuggets, but it is what it is. And now another brand wants to try their luck at the boneless Andok. So Andok just recently came out with what they call their chicken a la bone. It's a play of words on ala means none, wala. So chicken a la bone. And let's see what it's all about. We're gonna do a taste test. We're gonna see if it's worth it for the price point. This time around, I took the grab route and did not go out to get it. I didn't have a reason to go out. So let's go try out their chicken a la bone. So when you order the chicken a la bone, either through Grab or through their stores, it would come with a thing of their suka. I like their suka. And this is their chicken a la bone a la carte. They also have a chicken a la bone meal. It has rice, but you know that's not what we're here for. We're here after the chicken itself. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see if it's worth it, and let's try it out. So this is how much it costs. For the price, this is what you get. You're essentially getting a chicken thigh that has been deboned. This is what it looks like. Smells great. Pero parang hindi siya lechon manok. It's more of like chicken barbecue. We'll see. Cut into it. It's soft. Well, it's chicken. I'll try it with the chicken lang, then we'll try it with the vinegar. Cheers! So ano siya? Chicken barbecue. So matamis. Hindi siya lechon manok eh. Which is kind of a letdown because I was hoping it would be like chicken lechon manok. Are you one of those people na iniinom na yung suka? Ay. Sarap ang hang. Okay. Juicy siya. I'll give them that. But for the price, I don't know. Doesn't seem worth it. I mean, for the novelty, I don't think it's masa friendly. It's not something I'd get again for the price. I mean, Kasi for something like Andok's, you're kind of hoping that it will be a little less expensive. Kasi for the same amount, multiply that by 4, you could already get Vitos, yung kanilang boneless chicken. Because that's what it tastes like. I don't know. It's good, but I don't think it's worth it. So that's it. That's my quick and dirty review of Andok's chicken a la bone. You already heard my 2 cents. Call the ball if you want to try it. That's it. Thank you for stopping by. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.